battery box. Nothing. Okay, so I need two 12-volt batteries. Okay, so that will take some fixing. Let's put it in the shade behind the barn. So this is a much nicer place to work in. It's shaded by the trees and it's nice. I will set up the lift here, put down the supportive legs and try to find out if it can start up. Pull out the sprint and drop it down and put it back. The legs are driven by the tractor with two hoses connected to the tractor. So I have to run the tractor before I can operate these controls. From the tractor and the support leg on that side can operate. Yes. And now when I lifted that, I can swing this in place. So they've been nice enough to supply with a small ladder. So where were we? Yes, we had discovered that there were no batteries in the lift. So I have one battery here and I will try to borrow one battery from the old tractor to just see that this thing starts up as it should. I will grab the bucket. Then I have somewhere to put the battery in. Here's the old tractor. It's doing duty maintaining the arena, the horses. So let's see if we can borrow that battery. Undo the minus first. That. And the plus. And there you have the battery. Like that. Back to the lift. Horses. Yes, back. Back at lift. So this is a 24 volt system, so it's 2x 12 volt. I have two cables connecting to the machine. One end goes to the ground and the other one I don't know where it goes. Another one also goes into the same tube, and it ends up here in this box. So okay, it looks like it looks like it ends up here. 125 amps fuse. Okay, but where does the other one ends up? Yes. So then that's sorted out. And yes, it's connected. I can feel it. I can feel that it's connected here. So this is going to ground the pump motors. Here I have the second battery. I don't know where. Like that. The 220, the 230 connection to the basket, but I will. So they are just disconnected, but I will insulate them from shorting out anyhow. Then we should make these two 12 volt battery to one 24 volt battery. And I need one extra lead between them. So now hopefully no sparks. No. Good. Good. Oh, this is not good. Now let's see if I turn it on now, if anything happens. Nothing at all. Not whatsoever. No life whatsoever. Okay. No amperage, nothing.